Add-ins that are famous in different names, such as a plugin or in the explorers called extension, are programs that cannot work by their own. They should be used in another program. For example, add-ins for PowerPoint, add-ins of Photoshop or other program. That the maker of those programs wrote these add-ins and plugins to add new options to their software. If we are connected to the internet in the Get Add-ins option, we can have access to the add-ins list that we can select the add-ins that we want. And by clicking on Add, we can install that add-ins in our PowerPoint software. You can see the different add-ins in different categories, and by searching you can find the add-in that you want, and by clicking on Add you can install that plugin in your software. And in my add-ins section, your add-ins are shown that you can select it, and by clicking on the remove option you can delete the installed plugin. In the My Add-ins, if you click on in Manage Other Add-ins section, this window will open for you, and you can have to this window from File menu option and Add-ins section too. That is shows the list of plugins, and you can select the installed plugin and manage it. By clicking on the Go option, you can delete that plugin from your plugin list, then click on OK in order to that plugin is deleted from your software. And the other tip that you need to know about the add-ins is that don't overuse add-ins because it makes your software heavy. Most of the motion graphic and presentation slides I designed by PowerPoint that I made, I only use the PowerPoint options. By using the PowerPoint options, you can make amazing things that you don't that much need to install add-ins, but PowerPoint has this option and you can use it. In next video, I'm going to introduce some practical add-ins and we will learn how to work with them.